Now here I can look for the different types of tutoring that are available. If I'm looking for course-specific tutoring, such as in math or business or history, I can just click login. If I am working with the EOP program and I want to work with a specialized EOP tutor, I can do that. If I'm looking for study skills help, I can click on this. But right now, I'm going to show you how to use the English and Communications writing tutoring option. So I click this option to see that schedule. I hit login, and I'm taken to the current week. So you can see that the day is listed here, the time is listed here, and the tutors are listed there. If it's blank, if it's white, it's blank, it means the appointment is available. If it's blue, it means that someone has taken that appointment. So if I want to work with a tutor, say on Tuesday, September 10th, I can find someone that I know and worked with before, or I can find someone that is available at a time. So I see that this tutor is available here because it's blank. I click on this. A create new appointment page opens up. I can see that it's 12:30 to 1:15, and I can follow the instructions. So I need to make a note as to what I want help with, what the class is, who the instructor is, if there's any specific types of things I want to work on. There's some notes down here about if I would borrow a center laptop, I should bring my laser card. I can give a brief description of the assignment. It's an essay, a research paper, a short story for a fiction writing class, a poem, etc. I can click one or more of these buttons to give the tutor some idea of what we're going to be working on. And I want to check that I have read the Learning Center policies and understand them. And here, for appointment focus, I want it to be writing or English. Now, if I'm working in a communications class, I can click that. If I'm working for an ESL class, I can click that. A literature class, that. Or if it's English 103 or 104, I'm going to click that. I have the ability to upload a file, but I don't have to. And I click Create Appointment. I get this green notification here. The appointment was saved successfully. I can see the information that I've added here, and what time it is, and that's that. If I need to cancel the appointment or make a change, I can do that down here. So I'm going to close this window. And when I look at it, I can see that I have made this appointment with Tim Brown at this time. So now let's say that is our traditional face-to-face in-person appointment. Let's say that I am someone who wants help with writing, but I'm not able to physically come to the center. I would scroll through the appointments that are available until I found one that said face-to-face or e-tutoring. Now you notice all the other writing appointments don't say anything. This one says face-to-face or e-tutoring. Now the time itself doesn't particularly matter if I'm doing an e-tutoring appointment. Now, because I'm going to drop the paper off electronically. Now I find an open spot. I click on that to create my appointment, and you see this one's a little bit different because it says, am we meeting online? And if I say no, we're meeting face-to-face at the center, I would do it just like I did the other one and expect to meet with that person at that time. If I click yes, schedule an e-tutoring appointment, things are a little bit different. It's the same questions. I can put in the name of my course. I can put in the name of my teacher or instructor. I can say, you know, I want help with my thesis and using evidence or whatever particulars you would like. I'm not going to bother with this. We'll say it's a research paper. Of course, you would put whatever it actually is. And I can go more specific here or keep it general. I just want help with revision. I still am checking this box. I'm still checking this drop-down menu. Now, this is what's really different. At this point, I need to upload a file for this e-tutoring appointment to be effective. So I can come here, I can find the document that I'd like to upload, double click on it, I can give it a title, my essay, and I can go from there. And I've uploaded the document that I want the tutor to help me with. I click on the Create Appointment button, and here we are. I've successfully created and saved this appointment. And this is all my information here. Now I can cancel or edit this, but in this case I'm just going to close it. The tutor is going to come at that time, see this, click on it, see the information that you provided in the paper that you, the student, have uploaded. They're going to give you feedback in the form of a Word document or an email, and they're going to send you that feedback. So make sure you're looking in your email for that feedback. So you can get help from an experienced writing tutor without physically coming into the center. And that's how you use the e-tutoring appointments. You could also, of course, do this as a face-to-face appointment. So one appointment slot can work as either face-to-face or as e-tutoring. If you have any questions, call the center, talk to one of the people at the desk, and they will help you with this process. Good luck, and we look forward to hearing from you.